you want to maybe just talk a little bit more about what market making was like and how that worked?
So yeah, what we did was we created bids and offers just outside the market, and it was a service that we sort of supplied, which they asked us to do. The exchange had asked for market makers, and they sort of paid us to market make. So it wasn't a profitable thing in the sense that you could choose your price. You basically heard your 1,000 noises going off, and you would think, oh wow, I've been hit, and you immediately went and hedged it out. So to give an example, we had a board, we had the different months on the board, and we had different sort of, we call them the outright market, the spread market, and calendar markets. And as soon as you got hit, we immediately then went and hedged it out, because you're normally carried with the market. So you had to think, it was incredible how quickly you had to think. You had to go, right, I'm long 43 of those, short 100 of those, all different months. And you had to, within maybe 10, 20 seconds, you've hit 3-4 buttons and hedged it out.
And there was no automation. You're sitting there with two mice going click, click, click.
Yeah, so there wasn't an automation. You sort of just saw on your screen what your net position was, and you immediately had to just quickly click buttons.
So it sounds like you would have learned a lot about order books and how they work, and how money moves around inside an order book, and how bids get pulled and offers get pulled. And so that would have given you, I mean, it makes more sense now when I see you staring at your screen of just like numbers. I'm like, why aren't you looking at charts? What are you staring at over there? And you're probably looking and understanding how price is moving around.
Yeah, I'm quite unique in that sense that I like to have my chart on one side and actual prices ticking in
I just think it makes
you
look smart.
It gives me a better feel. I don't know. I can sort of read a lot through that. But yeah, I mean, the spoofing that went on, and you know, all the sort of games that are played by the big players in the markets, you get to learn all that.